welcome back to my cross-stitch channel. My name is Leslie and I make videos in Russian and English, and it's all about cross-stitching. In today's video, I'm gonna show you a big mega haul, cross-stitch haul that I'm doing. I'm packing two big packets from Russia with cross-stitch kits. I really like Russian cross-stitch kits. I think they have a great variety of them. And I don't live in Russia, I live in Scandinavia, so I've been ordering it from Russia. So I'm going to be unpacking these two big packages. They're huge, and they have a lot of goodies in them. And it's not only cross-stitch kits, it's also accessories, and I'm going to show it to you. And it actually cost me a lot, the taxes and all of that, import taxes. Cost me about more than $100 just to pay to get them from the customs and so. Well, let's open them and see what's in it. Stay tuned. Let's take a look at what I've ordered. I'll start with the accessories. I bought these embroidery scissors. Just simple, nothing fancy. I bought this organizer. This is made of wood. This is gonna last you a long time, and you can't really write anything on it. It has numbers. I think it's a nice floss organizer. And then I bought a more organizer. This is also made of wood, and this has magnets on it. Like you have magnets here and magnets here, and here you have like a card. You can copy these and just put them in the middle like this, and you put the other part of this organizer like this, and then you have it. You can. This is good for me because I cross stitch a lot of charts and from magazines, or charts from like Joan Elliott, for example. And when I buy my own floss, I want to write the symbol and the number of the floss. And this is good for me because I can do it here. I can't do it on this one though. I am going to buy a lot more of these. I don't know how many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Like 30. You can have 30 different types of floss here. Yes. This is wood, so this is going to last you a long time. And one more thing I bought. I don't know what this is called in English. I know the Russian word, but not the English one. This is like a storage thing. You put your project in here, and you roll it up like this. And then you just tie it up. and you can hold it like here. There's a holder. I don't know what's it called. Please let me know in the comment section what's the English word for this. But I need this for my unfinished project, or my project that I'm not gonna frame. I just want to store and keep them in this one. So let's take a look at the kits. This is by Panna. Panna is Russian kit. Moving. This, I think this is 16 count Aida fabric. And floss. I think it's Russian floss. This one is by Adriana. Like, this reminds me of Harry Potter a little bit. This is a small one, 13 by 28 centimeters. I don't know how much that is in inches, sorry. This is 14 count fabric. And the beautiful floss. Next one is by Magic Needle. Fantastic View, it's called. $52 colors. And this is 10 by 15 inches. Next kit, this is by Riolis. And this is a big, huge, fat kit. This is one of the newest additions. I think these are called dahlias. This is not Aida floss. This is like acrylic floss. And this is 10th count Aida. So it's gonna be very thick. Big one. This one, I think this is, I'm not sure, but I think this is made in Ukraine, not in Russia. It's called Mereshka. It has Figard and DMC floss. And this has a pale blue Aida fabric. Next one. This is by Oven. This is Russian. This is 27 by 30 inches. DMC floss and Zweigart. Aida Zweigart. Next one. This I don't know. This might be Russian or Ukrainian. I'm not sure about this one. From Lan Sweet. Like a cute bunny that is sleeping in the summer. Yeah, my honey bunny. My honey bunny. Yes. And almost 10 by 11 inches. 10 by 12 inches. Next one. This is Russian. Сделано с любовью. If you translate, it's made with love. The company's name is Made with Love. Beautiful. Beautiful birds. In different colors. I love different colors. This is Russian floss, and I think this is Russian Aida fabric. Very colorful floss. This is by Adriana, one of my favorites. Tulips. All the colors are just to die for. 31 by 25 centimeters. Look at them. You guys can see the chart. And it's in color. Beautiful. This one is by Dimensions. This one is great to cross stitch in the fall or autumn. 14 by 11 inches. Avery colored. This is 14 count. Beautiful. And the last one. This is by Classic Design. I think this is Russian as well. This is 40 by 29 centimeters. This has DMC floss and Zweigart Aida fabric. These are some of the other kits they have. Actually, a lot of these kits are new for me. I've never tried any of them before. That's why I bought so many, because I want to try different manufacturers of different kits and stuff like that. But let me know in the comment section below what you think about my purchases, which one you liked, which one you didn't like, and which one you want me to cross stitch in the nearest future. And hope you subscribe, because I have so much more to come. I'm making so many videos, so follow me. And give me a thumbs up if you like this video. I'll see you in my next video. Have a great day. Bye bye.